Straight to our top story at this hour. It's been a major mishap at a Delhi metro construction site. At least 3 people have been killed and 13 injured after the slab of an under-construction metro overbridge collapsed in Delhi's Nehru Place area. Rescue operations are on as at least one person is believed to still be trapped under the debris. The collapse of the bridge also caused a water pipe underneath to burst, which has led to the entire area around LSR College being flooded. Now, this is the second such major mishap at a Delhi metro site. The first was in November last year when a similar collapse claimed 2 lives. The Delhi metro has been speeding up construction work under tremendous pressure from the government to complete the project before the Commonwealth Games.
यहाँ 4-5 में हम निकले हैं, यहाँ ठीक ठाक था। यहाँ मेट्रो क्रेन से ना ऊपर चढ़ा रहे थे, तो कम से कम 20 बंदे ऊपर होंगे, 5-6 बंदे नीचे से ट्रक के ऊपर। अभी हमने देखा है कि 2 लोग बीच में हैं, एक की टांग नजर आ रही है, एक बाजू नजर आ रही है।
अब ये जब तक ये हटेगा नहीं, ऊपर से वो क्रेन द्वारा हटा रहे हैं, उसके बाद देखते हैं अंदर क्या है, कितने लोग हैं।
Now, the cause of the bridge collapse is as yet unknown, but Delhi metro officials admit they were aware of a fault in the structure's design.
Number 66 and 67, there was a launching operation going on there, and we were using the cantilever technique. We were aware that there is an issue regarding that design. We were getting that sorted out. It appears this most probably has been the cause of the collapse. There were 7 people who were totally injured. 5 were already removed to the hospital. We haven't got any confirmation about death. Two people were in the process of removal.
And for all the latest, let me go across live now to our correspondent Rhythm, who joins us from the ground in New Delhi, where that incident took place. Rhythm, first and foremost, how far have rescue operations gotten? Are all those people who were buried under the debris, have they been rescued?
Well, Niharika, you are right. There are still people under the debris who are here at this place. What had happened was at around 5 o'clock today, this bridge had collapsed. There was a faulty pillar, as has already been admitted by the DMRC. There was a faulty pillar. It came in contact with the girder, and there was a concrete slab over which this entire thing fell. There are still people who are trapped under the debris. We are getting reports around 5 people here. My camera person will just pan the camera, and you shall see behind me rescue operations are on. In fact, the entire area has been cordoned off as of now. The police are telling the curious onlookers who are here at this place, as well as others, to move back and to make sure that this entire rescue operation can take place. In fact, not only that, there are cranes that have already been brought here to make sure that the 5 people who are trapped in the debris are able to come out. And we can also see the shoe of one of them, as well as one of the shoulders can also be seen on that girder up there. However, the rescue operations have to be carried out, and therefore even the press are being told to move behind around 50 to 80 meters so that they can go ahead with this entire rescue operation. At the same time, what is happening is there is waterlogging on the left side of this entire flyover that had to be built by DMRC. It was one of the fastest building flyovers that had to be built here of DMRC. However, now a major accident here, the faulty pillar, the reason for all of this. At around 5, there were 30 construction workers here who were working. Curious onlookers and eyewitnesses who were present there at that time said that for around 15 to 20 minutes, there was nothing happening here. There were screams they could hear when they were here. However, they didn't know how to go on with it. Later, the police arrived. This entire area was cordoned off. We are standing in Greater Kailash. This is one of South Delhi's posh areas, and on my right is the LSR Lady Shri Ram College. This is exactly outside the college where this entire incident has happened. The crane that is going up towards where those people are trapped. They are trying first to remove the debris so that the rescue operation becomes easier. So what is happening is the crane is trying to go in and make sure that all the debris is removed so that they can go ahead with the rescue operations. The workers who are trapped there, around 5 of them, as being told to us by the Delhi Metro, will be able to, should be rescued soon. There is also a press conference that's going to be held at 9 o'clock by DMRC to give us further updates upon how this rescue will actually take place in totality. Niharika?
Right, Rhythm. Also, how badly has traffic movement been hit? The fact that it's a weekend could help matters.
Definitely, Niharika. The fact that it's a weekend as well as the fact that it is early morning, there is less traffic here. However, now that the fact this entire area being cordoned off, traffic is being hit, there are people who are not being allowed to come to this area. The police have cordoned off this entire road stretch of Nehru Place. This is adjoining GK Greater Kailash, and there are curious onlookers who are collecting here. There are lots of policemen. There are hordes of Delhi Metro Service civil people here as well. They are trying their best to make sure this area is cleared out so that the debris can be cleared, so that these people can be rescued in time. Having said that, that is the reason why they are trying to make sure that there's no traffic in this area. But there is waterlogging that's already been seen in South Delhi's Greater Kailash area earlier as well. So because of that, we are sure that there is problems in the traffic in the upcoming, in the ongoing hours. There would be a few traffic problems because this area will definitely be cordoned off for some time. It will not be something that the Delhi police will be able to let people and travelers go by in this lane. As you can see also, the train is starting to move. It is starting to go behind so that the debris is removed faster to make sure that these people who are trapped in the debris are able to be rescued soon.